Hey guys, I'm back again with Dale's Daily Hacks. Today I'll be showing you a hack in order to keep bugs away. You can probably spray it along your window sills on the outside just to keep bugs away. But today I'll be showing you the one on my light here. You can see all the spider webs and things like that. I'm gonna clean it off and then I'm gonna spray some WD-40 on here. This thing will pretty much keep all the bugs and spiders away that's coming around. So I want to share that hack with you. And I'll be using this WD-40 here, if you can see it. And I'll be keeping all the bugs away. Once again, please like and subscribe to my channel and check out my website, Worthy Journey Clothing at worthyjourneyclothing.com. And I appreciate you guys' support and supporting my channel. I'm on my road to 1,000 subscribers, so just keep subscribing and supporting. I appreciate all of you guys. Have a great day.